చలనచిత్రాలు వినోద పరిశ్రమలో ప్రతిభావంతులను వెలికితీసేందుకు talenttube.com వెబ్సైట్ ప్రారంభమైంది. ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ పరిశ్రమ వృద్ధిని దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకుని టాలెంట్ ట్యూబ్ స్వయంగా చిత్రాలు, టెలివిజన్ సీరియల్స్, ఈవెంట్స్ నిర్మించనుందని సంస్థ ఫౌండర్ మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్ వినోద్ నాయర్ చెప్తున్నారు.
Dadar or Lokhandwala in some sleazy office which is not part of the film industry.
Okay, that's called the yellow cab service. Kidding. Yeah, I guess there is no casting couch, or if there is, we haven't seen it. At least these stalwarts haven't seen it. It's got nothing to really do with the casting couch. More, it's got to do with the equal opportunity for everybody. I mean, you come to Bombay, it's fine. People or talent that struggles and leaves their homes and comes down to Bombay, finds a place to live in the most expensive city in India, does not know how to survive, is fed by their parents initially.
So instead of taking the others, we might as well take new talent. So and what we needed was someone to back it, new talent, and then someone to promote that talent. What happens is today when a Yash Raj film introduces a new boy, they see to it that he is put on a pedestal. What we need is a few more companies. One of them will be talenttube, who will give these newcomers a platform. There is a lot of talent available. I know I do theatre. I do theatre even today. I have my own theatre company, and I can see that talent coming out. And some of them are better than most of the top-notch heroes we have.
Because there is a change. The industry is on the cusp of a change. We will go back to the 50s. When the filmmaker was in charge, where the corporates will green light, the corporates will market, the corporates will exhibit, right? But the filmmaking is a nitty-gritty process which can be done by the producer-director. The producer is a very abused term in our industry. Actually, the producer is another myth. The producer is a guy with a lot of grace, actually. I always admire a great producer because he's putting money in my dream,
I do know a little bit about technology and about meritocracy. Every place I've been, IIT, MIT, Silicon Valley, the tech industry, these are places that are perfect examples of where talent meets opportunity every day. It doesn't matter where you come from, who your parents were, what you did, how much money you have. All that matters is the power of your ideas and the ability to, really bring them to life and achieve the opportunities. And in particular, the internet business, the internet medium has fundamentally sort of transformed many traditional industries in very interesting ways.